Thank you again to our contestants. Now, this next game is a little unconventional, and it is only for two people. May I ask Cor and June to come to the stage. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the heavy burden on these two players' shoulders is the fact that they will be playing a game that has never been done in Basic before. Yes, everybody, tonight you are about to witness Death by Improv! Now, the concept of Death by Improv is very, very simple. Our two players in the middle will just be doing a scene. However, Gigi and I can ding in at any time and, well, improv torture them to death. You guys will see. But of course, as always, we must first look for a prompt. Sir, hello, good evening po. Can the microphone reach? Please? Oh, kaya. Hello, good evening po. May I ask, what is an activity you would do if time and money were not an issue?
Fly over, all over the world.
I love that. Thank you so much, sir. What a wonderful, wonderful prompt from the wonderful audience. Cor, June, tonight you make history. Everyone, this is Death by Improv with Cor and June with the prompt flying all over the world.
Imagine the love of my life. Here we are, finally, in Massachusetts. Yeah! It's been my dream, honestly. I wanted to go to Massachusetts for so long. There's so much to see, like... Starbucks!
New choice. New choice.
The statue of this random American historical figure that I don't know. Statue, yeah, like, it's perfect if you guys if everyone was really important. Jermaine. Washington. Jermaine Washington. What's that?
June, you are now extremely knowledgeable about American history.
So, Jessica, what you're trying to tell me is that Jermaine Washington fought twice in like 10 times. Do you know which wars these were? There were the Napoleonic Wars.
Freeze! Cor, you are now extremely jealous of June.
Okay, fine, I guess you know it all. Is that why you wanted to go to Massachusetts? Look at me, I know all about American history and Jermaine Washington. This is about us. Okay, we made up Massachusetts together. And here we are, okay?
This is now a musical.
Massachusetts was never my dream. What? I never wanted. It was your wish. It was your wish and always your wish. And I had to say. I'm so sorry, Madeline. I'm heartbroken. Here, I'll make it up to you. Forget about
This scene now happens 2 days in the future. Everyone, that was Death by